file buffering, closing and flushing files. When one has done with using a file, one should close it using the fclose function. The fclose prototype is int fclose open bracket file asterisk fp close bracket semicolon. The argument fp is the file pointer associated with the stream. Fclose returns on successor or -1 on error. When one closes a file, the file's buffer is flushed, that is, written to the file. One can close all open streams except the standard ones. stdin, stdout, stdprn, stderr, and stdaux, close bracket, by using the fclose all function. Its prototype is as shown: int fclose all open bracket void close bracket semicolon. This function also flushes any stream buffers and returns the number of streams closed. When a program terminates either by reaching the end of main or by executing the exit function, all streams are automatically flushed and closed. However, it is a good idea to close streams explicitly, particularly those linked to disk files. The ftell and rewind functions. To set the position indicator to the beginning of the file, use the library function rewind. Its prototype is stdio.h is void space rewind open bracket file in caps asterisk fp close bracket semicolon. The argument fp is the file pointer associated with the stream. After rewind is called, the file's position indicator is set to the beginning of the file, byte 0. The rewind is used to read some data from the beginning of the file again without closing and reopening the file. Text file, file.txt, which has the following content. To determine the value of a file's position indicator, use ftell. This function's prototype is located in stdio.h and reads as follows: long ftell open bracket file in caps asterisk fp close bracket semicolon. The argument fp is the file pointer returned by fopen when the file was opened. The function ftell returns a type long that gives the current file position in bytes from the start of the file. The first byte is at position 0. If an error occurs, ftell returns -1 of type long. Text file, file.txt, which has the following content. Compile and run program. This will produce the following result. fseek function. More precise control over a stream's position indicator is possible by the fseek library function. By using fseek, one can set the position indicator anywhere in the file. The function prototype in stdio.h is as follows: int fseek open bracket file asterisk fp, long offset, int origin close bracket semicolon. The argument fp is the file pointer associated with the file. The distance that the position indicator is to be moved is given by its offset in bytes. The argument origin specifies the move's relative starting point. There can be 3 values for origin, with symbolic constants defined in io.h. fseek function program. Compile and run the above program. This will create a file, file.txt, with the following content. Initially, program creates file and writes. This is a sample program, but later we reset the write pointer at 7th position from the beginning and use puts open close bracket statement which overwrite the file with the following content. feoff function. With a binary mode stream, one can't detect the end of file by looking for -1 because a byte of data from a binary stream could have that value, which would result in a premature end of input. Instead, the library can be used function feof, which can be used for both binary and text mode files as shown. The argument fp is the file pointer returned by fopen when the file was opened. The function feof returns 0 if the end of the file fp hasn't been reached, or a non-zero value if end of file has been reached. If a call to feo detects end of file, no further read operations are permitted until a rewind has been done. fseek is called or the file is closed and reopened. Text file file.txt, which has the following content. This file will be used as an input for our example program. Let us compile and run the above program. This will produce the following result.